I'm not quite ready to let summer go for the year, so I decided to start a new project and I pulled out Let's Go Fishing by Riolis. I thought that this would be a relatively simple stitch, hoped it would go quickly. And this morning before I pulled out the fabric to grid it, I was deciding what corner I want to start in because I typically start in a corner. And the more I looked at these flowers, the more it dawned on me that something there is not just cross stitch. Cross stitch, half cross stitch, back stitch, French knot, ribbons. I have not had ribbons in a Riolis kit before. And yes, they are very clear about what is included in these kits, but when you buy it online, that's not always extra visible in the listings, and I think you can understand why I looked at this and just assumed that it was all cross stitch. So I decided to open it up and see what was going on, and this is a lot more intense than I thought it was going to be. Let's take a look. It's got 24 colors, which is about on par for Riolis kit. White Aida, so everything is stitched. And looky here, it's got ribbon. But that's not all. Take a peek at the little boy's sweater, and I did not realize this until I looked at the chart itself and something looked very strange. His sweater is not cross-stitched. His sweater is done in zigzagging rows of back stitch. Let me give you the tiniest glimpse of the chart. I have never seen anything like this before. So I've got the ribbon flowers. I've got whatever you call what's going on with the sweaters. I think I'm probably going to have to do some couching to get that fishing line to look as good as it can. This is going to be a lot more challenging than I thought at first glance. Less challenging, but still a lot. This has full cross stitches, half cross stitches, different numbers of threads. It's going to be fun. I will check in with you. I will let you know how it goes in my floss tube updates. Let me know if you have stitched this or something similar to this and you have any tips for me. And thanks for watching. I'm Michelle. This is my romantic tangle. I'm going to go grid some fabric and get started. And I think I'm going to start in the center with his little toes. Those are the fish. I thought they were just the water, but those are the shadows of the little fish, and I absolutely love that detail.